Welcome back for another exciting episode of Julie and Nate's Adventures. We're out in Illinois, out by the lakes, one of our favorite spots to go to train watch and ghost hunt. And today we're just going to look at the scenery and give you an idea of what is out here. It is a beautiful day out. It got really cold by the end of the night. And we're going to just enjoy the music, enjoy the scenery. And let me know what you see in the videos. You guys, drop it in the comments. Make sure you do like, share, and spread the love with all your friends. And leave in the comments where you think we should go to in the future. Alright guys, so enjoy the video. I'll be back in a little bit. So just mind all the wobbliness. We ended up finding out when we had thrown up in the air that it had gone back to beginner's mode. And it had not wanted to leave beginner's mode to expert mode. It kept doing this. And then it kept wanting to wobble and go around in circles. And no matter what we did, it just wanted to keep going. Then the guys wanted to see if there was anything going down the track. Nate and Nathaniel were like, what's going on down the track? So here we are looking down the track trying to see if there's any trains coming. One of the main reasons we come out to the spot is to train watch. We did catch one train, just wait for the end of that. But as you could tell, there is nothing down that track. It was just more of a nature go today. And working with the drone, seeing if it would work properly. Alright guys, I'll tune back in a few. sunset. It was so beautiful that night. It was just gorgeous, romantic, and a great time. A pre-Valentine sunset was magnificent. What do you think of the sunset? Drop it in the comments. Let us know. Would you want to be out there for that sunset in that location?
It's your time to party, and get down like before. It's your time to party, and get down like before.
You can see here that how low the sandbank is, or you will in a moment. It's so low, the lake is, that you can see the sandbank. And that's just not a norm right here. Though all last year the water was low as well, leaving it where you could even see more of the lake's bottom. So this is nice that the lake is fuller, but still, it's not full like it normally would be, and the sandbank is visible here. And you could walk across it. I've never walked down the tracks myself to get to it, but it is visible. It is going, and then you can see where the drone went up in the air again and had a little issue. And then we switched back over to watching the lake. And we did that for a while. We just watched this lake, and it was just a beautiful scene out there. So peaceful and so beautiful. yeah, I'm so glad I can share it with you guys here. Again, make sure you like this video, share it out, subscribe to the channel, and leave some comments in leave a comment of what so far of this video is your favorite, and where do you think we should go next. Well, this is where I was homing it in. I actually lost track of my drone out there. I got it so far away in expert mode, we had to home her in to get her back. And now you can just see the location. It is, you can see the mines, the salt mines over there, and the lake. It's beautiful. We're all saying, we're looking again because the guys really do want a train to come down, and he didn't get one until later on. But, you know, that happens. And you can watch her as she's going down, and you'll get a scene of Nate and me here, because it kept wobbling and kept going around and around. There's Nate and me. There's Nathaniel catching it. And now we're just going to go back over here, and here's the train as promised. I didn't have the drone in the air as we were doing this part of the video. We just caught the train. It came really late, and I just held the phone and took the video. Enjoy the train. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. And tune into our next video, guys. We will see where we're going to end up next. Maybe you'll be in town. Maybe you'll be out to eat. Maybe you'll be over at the zoo, the aquarium, or maybe you'll be out in one of the other states. You never know. Enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Make sure you follow, like, subscribe, and share it out. Take care, everybody. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away, see if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, replaying our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to can, we'll run the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it.